introducing three softwares in this course. One is P6 MS Project and Excel. So in this P6 and MS Project, we will cover like can you okay, the base, yeah, scheduling concepts. Like can I share my screen so that I can give them a better.
You can share. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, topic wise I can give them. Yeah, visible now.
Yeah, yeah. Screen is visual.
Yeah, in both softwares, what we cover actually, these are the topics. Okay, this is actually the early start, early finish, late start, late finish, and what are floats, what types of floats we have, what are critical path. These are actually the concepts, basic concepts in both softwares. Okay, so maybe you are aware of start date and finish date. Maybe you may
Mhm.
not of what is early start. Actually, every activity will be having early start and early, late start also.
Mhm.
Correspondingly, every activity will be having early finish and late finish. But
Okay.
in the project, usually everyone is talking about start and finish only. So what all these things, and what is float? Generally everybody is telling float only. Actually there is two types of floats. So we will explain those things, and what is critical path, and why we need to use P6 or MSP. Why can't we use other softwares or Excel for scheduling purpose? So these things you will be clear only if you are having if you know the concept. Okay, so
Mhm.
we'll go through the concepts, and then we will explain like what is EPS. EPS means enterprise project structure, and what is organization breakdown structure. Actually, you can, if your company is a multinational company, then you will be having maybe 10 projects or 20 projects or 50 projects. So how many projects, whatever projects you are having, you can handle in the same window under P6. Every project you can handle easily. So how we can handle all the projects in the same window, that we will explain using EPS. And using OBS, how can we structurize your organization chart? Even in these softwares, you can structure, you can develop organization chart also, and you can give the responsibilities. uh, okay, then how you will create a project. And once you create the project, you should give a project specific calendar to every project. So how you can develop a calendar, and how you can assign calendars to each project, that we will cover. Then what is WBS? You maybe know what is WBS, work
Great.
breakdown
The
structure.
concept.
So
Mm.
each project may be having different WBS. For civil project, for apartment project, for the building project, for the oil and gas project, and for the water treatment project, and all these different projects will be having different structures of WBS. So how can we develop those kind of for WBS for those kind of projects, that we will discuss. And the activities, where from where we will get the activities to input the software, that we will discuss, and how we will input all those activities using the softwares. And next will be the duration, uh, how we can add duration using the tools, and from where we will get the duration. Those kind of things we will discuss in detail. Like that, I don't want to tell the whole things. I will just summarize and show you these are the main topics: relationship, how we will give the relationship to all activities, and how we can analyze the schedule, and how we can add resources, baseline, project progress updation, earned value management, how we can generate reports, layouts, and other activity types, user defined fields, global change. These things we will cover. And actually, this is, I think, around 40 plus topics are there. This is enough for a planning engineer to to create a project, to track a project and all. So
May I add one more thing here, Shias?
yes.
I will share one original report as a plan as a for a planning engine that we can from, as you said, for this how it will be applicable.
uh, yes, yes,
Are you able to screen my screen?
yes, yes.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, this is a planning procedure. You can see the contractor. This is as a document in the Qatar Petroleum. This is a Descon company. Okay, there is a procedure for planning and progress monitoring control. As you can see, if you can read this, as Shias is saying now, where all this information is going. After the training here, you will be able to do the job as per this planning procedure. There is a planning procedure in every refinery, in every construction project. So as a planning engineer, you have to aware about the planning process, about the document control, about the responsibility. So you can see here already mentioning the WBS, right? Preparation and approval of WBS. That's what Shias was saying. One of the topic Shias discussed is the work breakdown structure. How you can make a work breakdown structure for different projects. How you can create activity and activity codes. How to make activities in the Primavera. How to define a project calendar and how to estimate duration. How to do the resource loading. How to do a network diagram. See, all these document, these are already planning procedure they are saying. So whoever knows have or whoever having the knowledge about this only can act as a planning engineer in real projects. So whatever skills you need to become a planning engineer will be discussing in our course in a practical situation, practical environment. We'll be sharing, this will be our course structure also. We'll be sharing, we will be teaching you the software. Same time, we will be showing the actual, how it is, where it is applied, how it is applied. Why you are learning this? See the project SCAR when progressing report format. So how to prepare a SCAR format, how you can progress report, how to make a progress report, how to track a progress report there this application is coming. That what Shias has shared with you. Anything left there, Shias, in that topic?
No, just I can share the
Okay, I
topic.
will stop.
This is a sample slide which we'll cover. This is how we will work with resources. How we'll add the resource, how we'll analyze the resource, how we can level the resources. These kind of things we'll cover. Just a sample to show you, and this is how we are generating the reports.